Hello friends and welcome. Can you see what's in this little corner of the video here? Welcome to another ColourPop unboxing. Yeah, so I did a little bit of a haul once again on ColourPop because you know ColourPop is life itself, okay? And these are the items that I got, so I want to share with you the haul. Let's get right into it. Please subscribe if you haven't already, okay? If you want to see other ColourPop hauls, I'll link them down below. Anyway, let's get right into it. Oh, and this makeup look, if you want to know how to do it, it's probably my previous video to this one. It is using the XO Beauty One and Only collection, and it is a bridal look. It's a wedding collection, so if you want to see this look and the review, I'll link it down below. Without further ado, let's get into this haul. First things first, look at the box I got. This is the most exciting part about this whole haul. It's the box. I love when I get the fancy box. So this is a very exciting moment. This box is never getting recycled, ever. It is staying with me until I die. So this, oh, look at that box. Thank the Lord. Thank the Lord. Okay, let's just dive into the box. So obviously, first item is the eyeshadow palette for Lizzie McGuire, the collection. What dreams are made of? You know I had to get this. Don't look too closely because you may see I've already used it. I created a look already with this and I absolutely love it. So I'm gonna recreate that look and share it with you because it was such a fun look. So stay tuned for that video. It will be a review and a look using this palette. It is gorgeous. It feels so good quality. And it's the paper packaging, which I love. Little mirror inside. Actually, it's a big mirror inside. I just think it's so beautiful. I love everything about this palette. I think it is so pretty and the colors are just everything. Everything is everything of this everything. I love it. I'm so excited to dive into it more because it is so beautiful. So that's the first thing. The next item I got is the No Filter Concealer. This is just to help me refill this empty one because I go through these like there's no tomorrow. So I got the shade Light 18. I think I got it, oh, I got two, it's right in front of me. I got two different shades, Light 10 and Light 18. I do love these concealers. I'm trying to find another concealer, but I just can't get over these ones. I just love them so much. So that's just two repurchases. I also picked up the mascaras. Why are they making this noise? I picked up the two mascaras, one in black and one in brown. I have not used these yet. I'm very fussy with mascaras, extremely fussy. So if you guys want to see a review on the mascara, please let me know. Oh, the packaging's really cute, actually. Wow, that's really cute. Yeah, I'm really stoked to try out the brown one especially because I really want to try the brown one on more natural days, you know? So yeah, if you've tried this, let me know what you think. And if you want to see a review, let me know because I can do like a whole dedicated video on this mascara. Worries me because I'm very harsh when it comes to mascaras. But anyway, let's hope it's good. So I got two mascaras. The next thing I got is the Sailor Moon little duo. I have been wanting this for so stinking long, for so long. But I finally caved, I finally got it. I got the Moonlight bundle. It comes with a blotted lip and a glossy lip. And they're so beautiful. This packaging is being on display. I'm gonna put it on display. It is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Just can't stop staring at them. It's so pretty. Everything about this is pretty. Love it. I love it. And the packaging box thing, this is never getting thrown out either. Some people call me a hoarder. Okay. They might be right. I don't know. But yeah, I got this. It's so cute. The next item I got is actually the No Filter Finishing Pressed Powder. I got this mainly because I want to do a full face of ColourPop, and this was the only item that I needed to complete a full face of ColourPop makeup. So that video will be coming soon. I have tried it a couple of times. I would like to try it a few times before I do that video just so I can give you my honest thoughts on it and really try it out. Let me know what you think. I got the shade Light and packaging is really nice packaging. It feels very good quality. So I don't want to share my thoughts on it just yet because I'm still testing it out. The next item is a very exciting one because it is, when I can get it out of the box. Okay. It is the Feather Effect Styling Wax in Clear. This is the first time I opened it. Doesn't smell like anything. I always smell things every time. I have to smell it. It's weird. But yeah, I'm really excited to try this because my brows are something I want to experiment with. I want to get better at. I want to fix up a bit. I want to experiment. So this is the perfect thing to experiment with. Very excited. Let me know what you guys think of it. Do you want a video on this too? Let me know. I can do it. I can do that. And to go along with this product, I picked up a refill of my Boss Brow Pencil. Oh, it's called Brow Boss Pencil. I mixed it up. Oh my god. Did I get the wrong one? I swear I got the wrong one. Light brown? Did I really order light brown? Maybe I did. Maybe I did get light brown. I don't know. This is the one I've been using lately. It is the Brow Boss in light brown. They're different. Wait a second. They're different. Is it the same product? Maybe it's the same. Maybe it's the same. Oh my gosh, I am just a hot mess today. I'm a hot mess. Moving on. So this will be fine. It's fine. I got a refill because I go through brow pencils like crazy, okay? So I needed another one. Okay, let's jump into another exciting thing. You know I had to get Stone Cold Fox. The amount of good things I've heard about this palette, I had to pick it up. It is so exciting. I can't wait to use it. I do already have the bare necessities, so I really wanted to pick up Stone Cold Fox. I think it will be a massive asset to my collection. So there will be videos coming soon with this. It's so pretty. Let me show you. Let me show you. I already had a sneak peek, but I haven't used it yet. The packaging is so nice. It is such nice packaging. It feels heavy and just delicious. It's just so nice. It is so nice. You can't tell me that's not a pretty palette. It is so beautiful. So it's cooler toned, which I don't know. I don't have much in my collection, so that's why I really wanted this in my collection, because I know it will definitely add to it. And it is just gorgeous. There's so many beautiful tones in here. There's so many shades that stand out to me immediately. I love the shade Mystery. It looks nice. So Fine. Caving In. I love all these little mauvey pinks down here. This is going to be so much fun to play with. Other item I grabbed is the Cheek Dew. I have never tried this product. I'm really excited for it. I have heard very mixed things. I've heard some people absolutely hate it, and I've heard some people like it. So I wanted to try it out for myself. I'm hoping I absolutely love it because the idea of it I love. So I'm hoping it's a really nice natural finish just to help give you some life to your cheeks. I got the shade Tumble for you. Most of the shades were sold out, so I'm really excited to be testing this one out. The next item I picked up is actually from Soul Body. This is the face and body makeup. This is really exciting to me because the amount of times I get a lot of, what's it called? Eczema. I get a lot of eczema on my chest. So when I fake tan, it just clings to the dry patches so much. So I'm always patchy on my chest. So I really want a product that I can use for my chest mainly. And I was really interested in picking up the KKW Beauty one, but it was quite expensive, and to get it shipped to Australia was gonna cost me an arm and a leg. And I didn't really want to do that. And then I found that they released this on ColourPop. I was like, I need to try this. So I'm really excited to try this one out. This is in the shade Light 6, and I really hope it's good. I really hope it's good. I wonder what it's like on the face. I wonder. But yeah, very excited to try this out. Can't wait. I haven't heard anyone talk about this yet, so I'm keeping my fingers crossed that it's good. And another exciting items? Exciting items? I don't know. I know, I had to get these. I know what I said in the past, okay? I know I said I don't like the little mini eyeshadow palettes. I don't like the quads or the 5 pans. I prefer a big juicy palette like Stone Cold Fox and the Lizzie McGuire palette. But then I just looked at these, and I looked at these online, and I looked at them, and I was like, this is the cutest thing I have ever seen. So I had to add it to cart, and I have no regrets, absolutely none. They are the cutest palettes ever, and I love the color schemes of them. They're just so cute. It's the packaging only. That's all it is. It got me good, and here they are in my collection. Really excited to try these out. I am going to do a video on all 3 of these and hopefully do a look with each one and a review, so stay tuned for that. But oh, they're just so cute. So cute. Very excited about this. Zero regrets on this haul whatsoever. Want to buy more. I probably will tomorrow. I'm not kidding. Anyway, so this completes my ColourPop haul, my latest ColourPop haul. You know there's gonna be another one. Do you wanna see another one? I'm probably just gonna do another one anyway. So I hope you guys liked the products that I picked up, are excited for all the videos coming soon. Love a good ColourPop haul. Like there's nothing more exciting than receiving a box and being to just rumble through it, and especially when the box is a special box. So thank you all so very much for watching. Please let me know what you wanna see me use first in the comments. I'd really appreciate it. And have a wonderful day. I love you all so very much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!